Do you ever look in the mirror and think that thinning hair, brittle nails, and sagging skin are just the price you have to pay for growing older? Well, after working with aging patients for over 3 decades, I can tell you that story isn't quite complete. You see, a major study in Japan followed more than 12,000 adults over the age of 60, and what they found was truly shocking. Over 40% of the visible changes we associate with aging are caused not by age itself, but by collagen loss, which is driven by a depletion of key nutrients. Let me put it another way. Your body isn't failing you. It's simply running out of the raw materials it needs to rebuild and repair itself. I've had countless conversations with patients who felt completely helpless. They were watching their faces change, their nails weaken, and their hair thin out. Even though they were doing everything they were told was right. They were exercising, eating a good diet, and even using expensive skincare products. But no one had ever explained the real root cause to them. Here's what happens. When your collagen levels drop, your blood vessels start to lose their support. Your skin loses its underlying structure, leading to sagging and wrinkles. The follicles that grow your hair become weaker, and your nails grow thin and fragile. This entire repair system slows down, and this effect becomes especially noticeable after you turn 60. But I have some genuinely good news for you. This decline in collagen is not irreversible. Your body just needs the correct building blocks, delivered in the right rhythm to kickstart that repair process again. So today, I'm going to show you a single daily habit, one that's grounded in Japanese longevity research, that can help restore this natural repair rhythm from the inside out. There are no complicated routines involved, and I'm not here to sell you on some miracle product. This is all about quiet, biological consistency. So please stay with me for a few more minutes, because understanding this one simple principle has already helped so many of my patients not only look younger but feel so much stronger and more vibrant, often within just a few weeks. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, as a doctor who's spent years working with older adults, I want to talk about something really important today. If you're over 60 and noticing changes like looser skin or weaker hair, I want you to know it's not because your body has given up. It's actually because your body is being asked to repair faster than it can rebuild. Think about it. For decades, your collagen-producing cells have been working tirelessly. They've been fixing damage from the sun, stress, and just the normal wear and tear of life. Over time, these little builder cells naturally start to slow down. At the same time, the enzymes that break down collagen become more active. This creates an imbalance where you're losing more collagen than you're making. We see this on the surface as thinning skin, hair that feels sparse, or nails that break easily. But the effects go much deeper than just our appearance. Collagen is crucial for so many things. It supports the strength of our blood vessels, it cushions our joints, and it even lines our digestive tract. When collagen levels drop, it can lead to slower healing, joint stiffness, and just a general feeling of lower vitality. So what's the real issue here? It's often not a lack of protein. Most seniors get plenty of protein from things like chicken, eggs, and fish. The real problem is a shortage of one specific, crucial building block, an amino acid called glycine. Glycine is what your body absolutely must have to create new collagen fibers. Without enough of it, your body simply can't rebuild, no matter what creams or supplements you use. Your hair follicles weaken, your nails get brittle, your skin loses its elasticity, and even your sleep quality can suffer, which slows down your body's nighttime repair process. In my clinic, I often see patients in their late 60s and 70s who think these changes are just an inevitable part of aging. But when we focus on increasing their glycine intake, the results can be remarkable. Within weeks, many start to see firmer skin, stronger nails, and a real improvement in their hair quality. The key takeaway is this: your body hasn't forgotten how to rebuild. It just needs the right raw materials to do the job. It's about giving your body what it needs to feel and look its best, at any age. Hey everyone, as a doctor who's spent decades working with older adults, I've seen a secret to healthier aging hiding in plain sight. It's an amino acid called glycine, and when we restore its levels, the results are incredible, often in ways my patients never expected. It's not just about skin-deep beauty, it's about a total body reset. Let's talk about what happens when you get enough glycine. The first thing many of my patients notice is that inflammation starts to calm down. That redness, puffiness, and irritation in the skin begins to fade, often within just a few weeks. Your skin just looks calmer. At the same time, glycine gets to work improving blood flow in all those tiny vessels that feed your skin. This means better oxygen delivery, which creates a natural, healthy brightness in your face. It's that glow from within that you can't get from a bottle. But it goes deeper than that. Inside your nail beds, stronger collagen fibers start to rebuild. So, if you've been dealing with nails that split, peel, or break easily, you'll see them start to grow in thicker and smoother. Your hair follicles get better support too. It's very common for my patients to tell me after a few months that their hair feels fuller, stronger, and less fragile. It's a slow and steady improvement that makes a huge difference. Now, here's the benefit that surprises almost everyone: better sleep. Glycine is amazing for supporting your nervous system, helping it shift into that deep, restorative sleep. This is the crucial time when your body does its most active tissue repair. When your sleep quality improves, your entire body heals more efficiently, and your face really shows it. You wake up with a healthier skin tone and a rested glow that speaks for itself. It's proof that true beauty really does start with a good night's sleep. So, how can you get more of this amazing nutrient? It's easier than you think. Let's talk about some practical, powerful food sources. First up is gelatin. This is one of the most accessible and effective ways to boost your glycine. It's really gentle on digestion, making it perfect even for seniors with sensitive stomachs. My patients love mixing a spoonful into warm tea, adding it to soups, or even making simple, healthy desserts with it. When they take it consistently, many report firmer skin, stronger nails, and much better skin hydration within just a few months. Next is a classic for a reason: bone-in chicken soup or bone broth. When you slow simmer bones, you release all that wonderful collagen in a form your body can absorb and use right away. This traditional food doesn't just support your skin, it's fantastic for your joints, blood vessels, and even your emotional well-being. So many of my patients describe feeling physically comforted and stronger after making bone broth a regular part of their diet. Over time, it can help restore that subtle fullness to your face and improve your overall resilience. Another fantastic source comes from a Japanese tradition: eating salmon skin. In Japan, salmon skin has been prized for centuries because of its marine collagen, which actually absorbs faster than collagen from land animals. Just eating it once or twice a week has been linked to noticeable improvements in skin elasticity, brightness, and smoothness. Several of my patients who adopted this habit reported seeing visible changes even faster than they did from taking supplements alone. This brings me to the most important lesson I teach my patients. I call it the collagen rhythm. Your body's ability to rebuild collagen doesn't respond to random treatments or taking a supplement here and there. Your body heals to a rhythm, not to random reminders. By providing a daily, consistent supply of glycine, you are essentially resetting your body's collagen clock. Once this rhythm is restored, your body begins to repair itself predictably. Your skin gradually becomes firmer, your hair thickness improves, your nails regain their strength, and all those deeper repair mechanisms in your body wake up and get to work. This isn't about some dramatic, overnight transformation. It's about quiet, steady renewal, day by day. When you keep that rhythm steady, your body remembers how to heal itself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on aging well. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Path. After spending decades working with older adults, I want to leave you with one clear and hopeful message. Collagen loss after 60 is not caused by irreversible aging. In most cases, it's driven by two simple factors: a shortage of glycine and a regular daily replenishment. Your body doesn't need extreme treatments, expensive procedures, or complicated regimens to rebuild itself. What it truly needs is steady nourishment it can count on. I often tell my patients, recovery begins not with intensity, but with consistency. One of my patients, a 72-year-old woman who struggled with thin hair and fragile nails for years, didn't change her entire lifestyle. She simply added a small daily source of glycinol, whereas at the same time each day, and stayed consistent. After 3 months, she reported noticeably stronger nails, fuller hair texture, and skin that held moisture better. Nothing dramatic was done, only a regular, gentle habit was formed. That is the core principle I want you to remember. Daily minutes of nourishment outperform occasional major interventions. When the body senses that support arrives reliably each day, it begins turning its internal repair systems back on. This means strengthening skin structure, renewing hair growth support, stabilizing nail fibers, and improving nighttime repair. The body isn't broken with argits, simply waiting for a rhythm it can trust. Your greatest anti-aging strategy is not force it, is faithful repetition. Small care, practiced every day, creates lasting change. If today's message gave you hope that your body can repair, renew, and regain strength at any age, I invite you to take the next step with us. Subscribe to The Healthy Path and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our science-backed guidance made especially for seniors who want to stay strong, confident, and independent after 60. Share this video with someone you love, a parent, a spouse, or a friend who may be quietly struggling with aging changes. One small daily habit can truly change a life. Leave a comment below and tell us what you're working to improve: your skin, your hair, your nails, or your overall strength. Remember, your healthiest years are not behind you. They are being built right now, one gentle, consistent step at a time, right here on The Healthy Path.